Welcome to the Wandering Chemistry, and today I am going to talk about the types of elements in the periodic table in a nutshell, or at a glance in a nutshell. So first, alkali metals: Li, lithium, Na, K, Rb, Cs, Fr. A naturally radioactive elements, most electropositive. They give alkalis with H2O. For example, Na plus H sub 2O changes to NaOH plus H sub 2. Second, alkaline earth metals: Be, Mg, Ca, Sr, Ba, Ra. Radioactive elements form an alkaline solution with H sub 2O found on earth surfaces. Third, coinage metals: Cu, Ag, Au, group 1b. Fourth, transition metals show variable oxidation state. They give colored ions and form complex compound. For example, Cr, oxidation state 3, 6. Mn, manganese, oxidation state 2, 3, 4 and 7. Fe, oxidation state 2 and 3. Co, oxidation state 2 and 3. Co, cobalt. Ni, nickels, oxidation state 2 and 4. Au, aurum, oxidation state 1 and 3. Cu, copper, oxidation state 1 and 2. Next, properties: metalloids, like metals and non-metals. For example, arsenic, As, Ge, germanium and Sb, antimony. Halogens: F sub 2, Cl sub 2, Br sub 2, I sub 2 and At. A naturally radioactive elements. These are halogens. Most electropositive elements in periodic table is Cs. Francium is a radioactive element. Cs and Fr is most electropositive element. Most electronegative elements: fluorine. Most conductive metal: Ag. Most conductive non-metal: graphite. Element: allotropes of C. Liquid non-metal: bromine. Liquid metal: Hg, mercury at ordinary temperature. Element kept in water: phosphorus, P sub 4, white or yellow. Element kept in kerosene oil is Na, K, Rb, Cs, group 1a elements. Elements sublimes: iodine at ordinary temperature, it's sublimes. Rare earth or lanthanides, atomic number from 58 to 71. Actinides after Ac, that is 89 to atomic number 90 to 103. Bridge metals: Mg. Noble metals: Au and Pt, etc. Noble gases or inert gases: He, Ne, Ar, Kr, Xe and Rn. Rn, radon. Man-made elements after atomic number 92, all are man-made elements, that is uranium onwards. Radioactive elements: natural: Po, At, Rn, Fr, Ra, Ac, Th, Pa and U. Elements showing diagonal relationships: LiMg, Bel and Besi. Amphoteric metals: Zn, Al, Sn, Pb, non-metal Si. Anomalous pairs: Ar and K, Co and Ni, Te and I. These are anomalous pairs. Now atomic numbers and their name. These are new elements. For 101 atomic number and called mendelevium, represented by Md. 102 nobelium, No. 103 lawrencium, Lr or Lw. 104 kurchatovium, Ku. 105 hanium, Ha. 106 not named as 8. So these are the types elements in the periodic table. So see some question. Why is the second IP or IE higher than that of first IP or IE? Answer. This is due to reason. First, it is more difficult to remove an electron from a positively charged particle than from a neutral atom. B. The size of the ion M sub plus is lesser than that of the atom M, and hence it becomes more difficult to remove an additional electrons due to a stronger nuclear attraction. Why is IP or IE, ionization potential or ionization energy of N greater than that of oxygen, nitrogen greater than that of oxygen. The elements with either completed subcells or a half completed subcells are more stable than others. Nitrogen has got 2p half completed subcells, whereas oxygen has not got such arrangement. For example, N atomic number 7 and its electronic configuration 1s sub 2, 2s sub 2, 2px sub 1, 2py sub 1 and 2pz sub 1 are stable. And for atomic number 8 oxygen 1s sub 2, 2s sub 2, 2px sub 2, 2py sub 1 and 2pz sub 1 unstable. In case of nitrogen, more energy is required to remove electrons, hence its IP and IE is higher than oxygen. Why beryllium has got higher IP IE than boron? Beryllium has its 2s subcells completed, whereas boron has got incomplete 2p subcell. Hence beryllium is more stable than boron. Hence beryllium has a higher IP than boron. B atomic number 4 1s sub 2, 2s sub 2 and B atomic number 5 1s sub 2, 2s sub 2, 2px sub 1, 2py sub 0 and 2pz sub 0.